Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to mount a strap to your JBL Partybox on the Go 2. So here, as you can see, we do have normal strap with this thing over here. We need to do something like this, open that, and just here hook it over here. Now once you do have something, oh pardon me, I touched the microphone, I hope that doesn't really bothers you. We need to do the same with the second one, just like that. And now we do have our strap mounted. That's it, hope it helps you, and goodbye.